2024 BMW XM. Starting at $160 EST. Highs. Looks: interior, powerful plug-in hybrid powertrain, enough electric driving range to run in-town errands. Lows. Has a face only a mother could love, busy ride, not as quick as other high-dollar performance SUVs. Verdict. The XM is nearly as quick as an M3 sports sedan but offers similar luxury as the 7 Series, and that combination is what makes this SUV unique. Overview. The 2024 BMW XM SUV is on an ambitious mission to target the pinnacles of performance and luxury simultaneously. Behind its overwrought snout lies a twin-turbocharged V8 that's enhanced by a plug-in hybrid system, which combine to produce up to 738 horsepower. The result is a rocket, capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.7 seconds. It can also motor itself around on electric power alone if you only need to run a few errands. And you might just choose the XM for such tasks since its cabin is richly trimmed, comfortable, and spacious. BMW has added all of its most desirable tech features too, including a curved dashboard display and the latest driver assistance systems. While it's quick in a straight line, the XM isn't as joyful to drive as the company's vaunted M3 and M5 sports sedans. But if corner carving isn't on your driving menu, the XM's got panache and power out the wazoo, and we'll be damned if we can find fault with that. What's new for 2024? An even more powerful label red model joins the lineup for 2024 and boasts a 738 HP variant of the XM's plug-in hybrid powertrain. BMW says the extra power is enough to launch the XM label red to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, which is likely conservative since we estimate the regular 644 HP XM can do that in 3.8. The label red will command a hefty premium over the base model, but pricing confirmation should arrive just before the label red hits dealers at the end of 2023. Pricing and which one to buy. XM. $160,000, EST. XM label red. $186,000, EST. The XM's starting price is high, but it does come loaded with luxury features, including leather upholstery, huge 23-inch wheels, a cool curved infotainment display, and a host of driver assistance features. Engine, transmission, and performance. A twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 isn't new to the BMW powertrain portfolio, but in the XM it's partnered with an electric motor and a battery pack to create a whopping 644 horsepower. Output rises to 738 horses in the label red model. During our first test drive of the regular XM, we noted the powertrain's immediate punch and estimated that it should get the XM to 60 miles per hour in about 3.8 seconds. When we get a chance to test it on our home turf, we'll update this story with the results. But if our estimate is correct, that would put the XM at a disadvantage when compared to other performance SUVs such as the Lamborghini Urus and the Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid, both of which delivered 0 to 60 mph times of 3.2 seconds in our testing. The XM uses a coil spring suspension system that's augmented by adaptive dampers and active anti-roll bars. The result isn't as compliant and composed as it would be had BMW chosen to offer an air suspension, but in the comfort driving mode, the ride is far from punishing. When set to sport, the XM's handling is responsive and eager, which makes it good fun on a twisty road. Range, charging, and battery life. The XM's 25.7 kWh battery pack is said to be good for about 30 miles of electric-only range per charge. BMW says the XM's onboard charger is capable of juicing the battery at up to 7.4 kilowatts and should be able to charge up to 100% in a little over 3 hours. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't released estimates for the XM's fuel economy yet, but, despite its status as a PHEV, we aren't expecting price-level fuel sipping from this big, high-performance hybrid. When we get a chance, we'll take the XM on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route and update this story with its real-world test results. For more information about the XM's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Everything about the XM's cabin is high-end, including its optional vintage-look leather upholstery that was first shown on the concept car. The XM's cabin is strictly a two-row affair, and in place of a large panoramic sunroof, the XM can be had with a geometric patterned faux suede headliner that features fiber optic lighting that's used to dramatic effect. An optional audio upgrade adds a Bowers and Wilkins diamond surround sound system with tweeters that illuminate. Infotainment and connectivity. A large, curved display stretches across 2/3 of the dashboard. The display serves as both a digital gauge cluster as well as an onboard infotainment center, and it runs BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 software interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and additional features such as Sirius XM satellite radio, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a premium stereo system are included as well. Safety and driver assistance features. Basic features such as automated emergency braking and lane keeping assist are standard on all XM models, but more advanced tech, including an adaptive cruise control system with a lane centering feature, is available too. For more information about the XM's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW offers a competitive limited and powertrain warranty that is bolstered by above-average complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.